Hi everyone, welcome back to this video on 3 types of giveaway that build your email list fast. Now what you'll learn today, you'll learn how to choose the right giveaway for your niche. Now I know that there's many giveaway out there and you see that everyday people is giving away a lot of things, but is it what you really wanted? So how to choose the correct giveaway for your niche? And what are the giveaway that anyone would want? So this is back to question 1. If you are giving away your service, your products, do people want it? And who are they? Who can you give this to build your list fast? Now we need to dive deep into knowing your audience. Now knowing your audience is the first way for you to know what giveaway they exactly wanted. Read on forums and Facebook group what's their most common challenges and what are the problems that they face daily. You can always set up a survey form or a poll to let people answer you. The most effective ways is to directly ask them. So what you can do is you can set up a survey with 10 questions, post it on the forums, or you can set up a Facebook survey poll to let your audience poll for the things that they want or the problem that they face. The giveaway that you want to give away, is it something that they wanted or not? And after you have gathered enough data to confirm that the information that they wanted or the products they wanted and all the services that they wanted, you should have a data size of about 100 people for you to make a decision to give away. Now at least you will know for sure that there will be 100 persons already interested in what you're giving away. There are many types of giveaway. It can be a pre-written form template such as a checklist, such as an email templates, or such as a sales script, or it can be something that people use daily. For example, you can think of it like a resume. A resume actually has a structure and it can be formatted into a template. Another example would be a checklist planner, a calendar planner. All these can be pre-written into a template. Next is infographics. Infographics, for example, you want to teach something about e-commerce, you want to teach something about emailing, you can convert it into infographics with step-by-step. Illustrate it using pictures is much more easier. A good way to check is from Pinterest or just simply Google the keyword plus infographics on Google Image. You can also build a resource list. Audience is interested in gardening, you can build a resource list for them to know where to buy. If you are doing a local business and you're into the gardening business, you can let them know what are the top 10 recommended seeds that they should plant. So in a way, you're actually providing values when you're giving away to them. At the same time, you're doing a marketing for your brand, for your business. Printable handouts. You can also look into printable handouts whereby you can give them something to print out. For example, you can give like a calendar for 2021. You can give a printable handout in the form of activity books for kids. You can do printable handouts. If you're doing any form of business, it can be a printable handout where they can print out every 3 to 6 months. For example, planner schedule that gives them a reason to subscribe to whatever that you give away. And lastly, you can give away gift vouchers. Now for gift vouchers, do take note. Gift vouchers do attract a lot of people very fast because they simply want the voucher to exchange for the thing that they want and not your product or service. You can also run a contest whereby the gift vouchers will be given only for winners that share the most, like the most, or they simply are your top contributors in your Facebook group. So I would say the gift vouchers basically will help you to boost your branding initially and to make aware if you are actually running certain kind of new product launches. So the purpose of giveaway is basically to help you to build up your initial subscriber pool or your initial emailing list. You can gather feedbacks from them. So the initial group of people that you can gather feedbacks from can be friends, families, influencers that you know personally. Giveaway, when used correctly, can grow your list exponentially. Now look at all the different sharing giveaway groups that is on Facebook, and they give a lot of products or services just to gain subscriber into the mailing list. Now I wouldn't say that it is the most effective way. However, you are looking into growing your list exponentially, this is one of the way you should adopt. And if you don't wish to pay Facebook any money or you don't wish to pay any platform for paid ads, you should try this out. And if your objective is to grow a list fast and you do not want to take into consideration so much about whether they buy from you or not, the fastest way is for you to learn how to grow a list, and then you move on to the second phase of maintaining the list. By practicing how to grow a mailing list, you can eventually move on to the next stage of managing the list, which require a lot of practice, a lot of fine-tuning, because initially you might collect a lot of people, 5,000 people, but not all these 5,000 people they are buyers. They could be, some of them they just want your free giveaway, some just they happen to be curious and they subscribe to your list, but they are not your actual buyer. So we need to funnel in to fine-tune to look at who are the buyers or potential clients for your business. So there's no magic bullets to generate sales. So if people do not know you and what value you provide, they will not do a transaction with you. A fastest way for you to build this trust and rapport is through having a mailing list. Email them once a week or twice a week, gain their trust, and they know you, they know what kind of value you provide, and even get them into your Facebook group. And eventually, if you have a group of dying buyers, you can also get them into a WhatsApp group, whereby when you post something new, you will get a response definitely from them. So you do not need a lot of people to be successful in business. 1,000 die-hard fans or 1,000 good customer, you can make a lot of money from it already. So I hope that this video is useful to you, and do subscribe, like or comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.